So welcome back. So this is my day. This video I want to show you how you can tag everyone in a WhatsApp group in 3 settings. So if you are not using these features on WhatsApp, you are missing out. Okay, so stay with me and let's do this together. Let's get started. So first thing you need to do, the first settings you need to link your WhatsApp number. So let's do that. So as you can see here, it said it has been deployed in within 4 minutes. Can you see? Within 4 minutes it has been deployed. So you can see something that will not cost you even 10 minutes before you deploy everything. So as you can see, our bot has been deployed. So now what we need to do now is just to go ahead to our WhatsApp and check if our bot has started working. Now our bot has been deployed on our WhatsApp. As you can see here, this is the section ID I copied the other time, and this is the bot now. As you can see, this is the bot. Our WhatsApp bot has been deployed. So now let's test our bot. Now use .ping to test your bot. Let's check it. As you can see, our bot has been deployed. So let's check .menu. So this is what your bot can do. So as you can see, this is Samarin, this is my name, Friday. As you can see, the time and everything you need to do. So let's go to a group and test the bot. So let's tag all. Let's use tag all. And as you can see, everyone have been tagged in this group. So welcome back. So this is my day. This video I want to show you how you can tag everyone in a WhatsApp group in 3 settings. So if you are not using these features on WhatsApp, you are missing out. Okay, so stay with me and let's do this together. Let's get started. So first thing you need to do, the first settings you need to link your WhatsApp number. So let's do that. So once you get to this interface, okay, you need to press the code on it. So this is where you to go. Just go to this top right corner here and click on that 3-dotted line and click on link your device. So once you click on link device, and you can see I have my bot already and my bot is active. So I want to link a new device. So click on link a device. Okay, so use mobile. So let me insert my pin. So use link. Let me show you link with phone number instead. So click on that. As you can see, so go back to the website and insert the code CLZD and ZRF9. So let's wait for it and our WhatsApp will be connected. Now as you can see, it has been connected. So the next thing to do now is go back to our device and you will receive something called section ID. This thing, as you can see, I received section ID. This is the section ID. Okay, you will receive something like this and just click on it and copy it. Just let it be on your clipboard. Copy it. So I have copied. So this is the first step. So number 2 settings here is create your server. So let's create our server. So as you can see now, this is the server. This is the website we'll be using to create our server. Okay, so boothosting.net. So just click on it and you get to this interface. Just get started for free. So you need to sign up on this website because I have account with them before. So I open up, I just log in in directly. So as you can see, I have a server before on it and I have coin. Okay, before you can deploy your bot here, you need coin. Okay, you need coin. So how can you earn the coin? This is it for free. You can purchase it and you can get it for free. You can see, you just do some task here and click on human. As you can see here, just this one, they say you should click on the images that the animal that this body part belongs to. Okay, so let's just click on animal because it is fowl. Let me zoom in. It is fowl, and you click on it and you verify. You verify and you click on to earn. So that's how you earn the coin. As you can see, say you can claim 10 free coin for your server every day. Okay, so you can be claiming the coin every day, and you can still go ahead if you want to purchase coin. You can purchase coin here. So let me show you. You can see 100 coin for $100. You can see here. So you can still go ahead and buy more, but we are not buying coin for here. So now, as I've shown you like how to earn the coin. So the second thing is just to create. You see, you want to create server here. So if you don't have coin, you can't create a server. So as you can see, let me show you. This is where to create a server. Can you see? Just name it anything. I can say Samuel Boots. Let me say Samuel Boots. So that is it. So, and you go ahead and click on next. Can you see? Click on next. Can you see? So they have different plan. Okay, so I advise you to don't go for this 10 coin. Don't go for this 10 coin. Go for this one, starter plus. Okay, go for this starter plus. Okay, it costs you 25 coins per week. Can you see? Let me show you well so you can read through. This is it, 25 coin per week. So just click on it, and once you have your 25 coin, click on it, select plan weekly, and click on weekly. Can you see what I'm doing? Let me recreate it again. Click on create server, Samuel Boots. Can you see? Click on next and click on startup plus. Can you see? So just click on it and click on weekly. So once you click on weekly, you say you want to create a coin. So this is it. Can you see? Create server, costs 25 coins. So you click on 25 coin and it will create your server. As you can see, your server has been successfully created. Can you see? My server is successfully created. So because I have 25, I have coin already. So let me just go back and say. So let me go back and show you. Let me show you. You can see now. So I have 42 coin before. Now it is 17 coin. Can you see now? So they have removed the 25 coin for my boat. So the next thing you need to do is just to come to manage server. Okay, once you create your server, you can go ahead and create. But I want to show you this interface, that's why I come back. So just click here, manage server. Okay, manage server. Click on manage server. As you can use, I have a boat before. This is the one I just created. This is the one I just created, and this is the one I have before. This is the one I have before. Can you see? This is the one I have before. So manage server. Can you see? So now you will now click on view on control panel. So you click on view on control panel. Can you see? You click on view on control panel. So that is how to create that. But I want to show you something. Like, this is my own Levanter boat that I have before. So but here I want to manage the second server. So let's click on manage server, and I want to show you, this is the one you'll be clicking on. So this is the boat, this is the server I just created, Samuel Boat. This is the new server. So we are using this one. So just click on manage server, and once you see it like this, see your interface like this, click on control, view on control panel. So just click on view on control panel, and if you have something like this, so as you can see, it is offline. You don't have any file, you don't have anything on it. So you see something here, file. So you need to click on that file and come to this right corner here. You will see create directory, you will see upload, and you will see new file. You will see new file. So you need to create a new file. So just click on create new file. So now this is the phase 2. This is the second setting. So now you have created a server. What you now need to do, you need to deploy your bot. So first thing to do, don't exit this interface. You can just go ahead and click on add tab. Okay, as you can see that place, that plus icon, add a new tab. Okay, click on add a new tab. You show you another interface like this. So let's go to the third settings. So now we need to deploy our bot, as you can see. So let's deploy our bot. So you will be using the first link I sent to you, that this link that you used to get your section ID, that used to connect your WhatsApp number. So you click it on it again. Okay, that is the link we'll be using again. And here you can see scan deploy. So now we want to deploy. So you click on deploy, this one, click on deploy. So once you click on deploy, they will ask you which platform do you want to deploy on. So you want to deploy on panel. So you click on panel. Can you see? Click panel. So this is what you just need to do here. Just check this place. You need to check this place. You check this one, and check this one. So let's check it now. So now you need to copy this. Can you see? You need to copy this. So you can see copied. So it has been copied to our interface like this, to our clipboard. And so what we need to go back to that website. Hope you remember the website that we create our server on. Let's now click. You now click here. This is the simple thing you just do here. Click here. Once you click it, you can see this is the server. This is the former tab. Okay, so you now click on the tab like this. As you can see, so this is our tab. That's why I say you should not exit it. So just let me zoom in. Yeah, so we now paste the code now that we copied. Can you see? So let me just zoom back. As you can see, before we have already copied our section ID 2 from WhatsApp, that code. So yeah, this is where you will edit. This is the only thing you will do here. Update this, you need to remove it. So just click here. So let's zoom in, and the section ID, you can see section ID. So just click here and paste that section ID here. As you can see, this is my section ID I got from, let me show you. This is my section ID on my clipboard here. That's why I say you should, okay, I can't work on it, but let me just show you. I will just need to paste it here. I've shown you already, so let me just paste it. This is the section ID. This is the section ID on my clipboard, so I'll just paste it, and I have pasted the section ID. So I need to delete this, update this. Just delete the update this. As you can see, delete it like this, delete it like this. So boom, you are done here. So the next thing to do is just to come down here and save your file. Save your file. Can you see? Create file. Can you see? You just click on create file. So once you click on create file, and you save it with index.js. Can you see? Index, small letter indes.js. Can you see? So, and save your content and create a file. So it is creating our file. So as you can see, now our code has changed color. So now you need to save the content. Now you need to click here again. Sorry, you need to click here and save the content. Can you see? Our content has been saved. So let's go to, you now click here. Let me zoom in because I don't want anyone to have issues here. So let's click here. You can see console. This is console, and we click on console. Can you see Samuel Bot? So you now click here. You click on start. You click on start, and boom, your bot we started deploying. So that is it. That is it. So it's as simple as that. So let's wait for our bot to deploy. So remember, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. If you find this video valuable, also like, share and subscribe, and also feel free to message me on WhatsApp. So check the video description to get the link that I use in this video, or message me on WhatsApp to get the link. Thank you. So let's wait a bit. Our bot is still deploying. Can you see? So as you can see, it is deploying. So as you can see here, it said it has been deployed in within 4 minutes. Can you see? Within 4 minutes it has been deployed. So you can see something that will not cost you even 10 minutes before you deploy everything. So as you can see, our bot has been deployed. So now what we need to do now is just to go ahead to our WhatsApp and check if our bot has started working. Now our bot has been deployed on our WhatsApp. As you can see here, this is the section ID I copied the other time, and this is the bot now. As you can see, this is the bot. Our WhatsApp bot has been deployed. So now let's test our bot. Now use .ping to test your bot. Let's check it. As you can see, our bot has been deployed. So let's check .menu. So this is what your bot can do. So as you can see, this is Samuel. This is my name, Friday. As you can see, the time and everything you need to do. So let's go to a group and test the bot. So let's tag all. Let's use tag all. As you can see, everyone have been tagged in this group. As you can see, it has been tagged. So let me show you. So you can see here, this is my second WhatsApp, and you can see it has been tagged. So you can see .all, and you can see this is it. This is the symbol. So that is how to tag everyone, and there are other amazing features you can use. You can mention everyone in this group. So if you have questions or you want to connect with me, feel free to do so, and see you next time. Remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.